y'all, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you actually go ahead and say use Worldremit to send money. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply start our video. For the matter, you're gonna go ahead and access, you can either go to worldremit.com or Worldremit app. For me, my device is rooted, so I have to access the official website. Tap on this login option, tap on this email section and get logged in first. Once you're successfully logged in, you can see this kind of interface. You can see you can send, they get this much, this is it. So you can go ahead, tap on it and change your amount according to your need. Let's say it's 200, and you can change your country by tapping on it. You can change your country according to your need, where you want to send it. Let's go ahead, let's go to Philippines, and we can go ahead, choose the way, and then once we can tap on this receive method, tap on it. Now you can choose bank transfer, cash pick, of where you're sending it. That person has to go to this office for them to receive the money. Access the store, you can see mobile money, that's going to be a phone pay. You can see airtime top up, send money for airtime top up. So these are the options given. You can choose one. So bank transfer is good, and then you can go ahead, tap on this continue options afterward, and you can tap on the select partner, where you will enter the account type. Let's say this is the account, and you can tap on this continue option again, and now you will have to enter your number that you created your account with. Then you will tap on this continue option, then you will fill the information of your receiver. Afterwards you will confirm the payment, and then it will cut off some charges if you are doing mobile banking. If it's bank transfer, if you want bank to bank, then you will be able to do the transfer. You can even go see the transaction in your history in your activity section, and that way you will confirm it. So this is the way for you guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.